going on, everybody? So I figured come out here and fool around with old C10 a little bit. Little man over there, he's trying to find him some tools to work on his boiler and stuff. So I'm gonna fool with the C10 a little bit. He's wanting to go do a burnout in it. So what I'm gonna do is check the oil, make sure the oil and all's good. Gotta put some water in it because I still ain't filled it back up with water from when I drained it out when it got real cold. But check the oil, transmission fluid, put some water in it, and then another thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna hop under the truck here because it's got a 700 R4 transmission, but I'm still using the original 3-speed column shift, so I can't get it down all the way in first gear. All I can do is go down in the second gear. So therefore, as soon as I take off, do a burnout or anything, it automatically shifts right in the second gear and kind of bogs down a little bit. I'm gonna jump down there, fiddle around with the shifter a little bit, see if I can get it to work to where it'll go down in the first gear. I might have to sacrifice park to be able to do that, but I think if we can get it down in the first gear, we'll be able to spin the tires a little bit better, you know what I mean? And then maybe bump her in the second gear and roll on out with her. I really ain't ever fooled with it, so I might be able to make it work somehow to where I can have park and first gear. But anyway, let me jump down here and see what we can get figured out. Let's see. Whew, nasty up under here. I'm going to put this thing up on the ramps. I ain't even about to try to squeeze up under there. Got the exhaust nice and hot. That's good, so that'll burn the hell out of me in just a second. Well, it won't be too hard. I just got some wire twisted on there. Oh hell, I didn't even realize I got 2 bolts on the bottom of the transmission pan that ain't even tightened up. That's from when this transmission was in that Camaro. It had that floor shift. Alright, let's see here. Let's park, reverse, neutral drive, and there's first gear right there, I do believe. Alright, what's my piece of wire? Ow! Damn it! Just like I said, I'm gonna burn my damn arm. Alright, I think I was able to get it where we got park, and we got low gear. Alright, so that's park, reverse, neutral, drive, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Hell yeah. Now we in first, second, third, drive, neutral, reverse, and park. This baby topped off with water. And we'll try to run down the road and back real quick before it gets too late. Or I might have to wait till tomorrow, because I kind of need to go get some gas. This thing is sitting on empty. I mean, it's probably got enough to go down the road and back, but I don't know if I want to chance it. So we might wait till tomorrow and go get some gas. Next day here. It got dark last night and I just said screw it, I'll wait till today in the daylight. But we'll get her fired up here. Finish topping her off with water, double check fluids again, and then go do a little burnout for the little man. out. Damn, I should have done this a long time ago. I've had this transmission in here for several years, and I've had it behind 2 or 3 motors in this truck. And the whole time I've been going without being able to pull it down in low gear, just because I was too lazy to get under there and adjust it out real quick. Woo! Yeah. Baby shifts hard, don't she? Oh yeah. Yeah, I should have done that a long time ago. Being able to go down in first gear and take off makes a hell of a difference. What you think, buddy? Yeah, a little too hot for them gloves, ain't it? Yeah, being able to take off in low gear, whew, makes a hell of a difference. I might actually have a chance against Hot Wheels now. I don't know, he probably still outrun me, but I got a better chance now. S10, a little S10 truck that was blue, and it had flames on the side of it like a Hot Wheels truck. So we started calling him Hot Wheels because his truck looked like a Hot Wheels truck.
Like my Hot Wheels.
Huh?
Like my Hot Wheels toy.
Yeah.
We're going back.
Yeah, I had to go up on the hill, make sure there wasn't no car coming, and then we back down it. Ready? Baby burnout, huh? We don't want to wear our tires down too fast. It don't take long with this old girl. Well, what'd you think about it? Was that fun?
No.
Now what? Now we're gonna pull each other on the hood behind the four-wheeler. Okay. Alright, we're back in the C10 again. The little man, he's gone home with his mama, or gone somewhere with his mama. His birthday is in a couple days, so she come and got him earlier, take him somewhere for his birthday. So I figured we'd run down the road again, play around one more time. Me having first gear is pretty nice, so I figured we'd play around a little bit more before the sun goes down on us. different truck now that I got first gear. I mean, I had first gear before, but not being able to shift it down in the first gear manually makes a big difference. Now we need to throw them drag rails back on the back of here and see what this thing can do from a dead stop. See if we can get this thing hooked up. If I can get it hooked up half-ass decent, then I might have a chance with old Hot Wheels. You know, as long as he's running on motor. Obviously, if he's spraying, then he's just gonna leave me. I figured he'd probably put a few car links on me, even motor to motor. Being able to go down in first gear give me a better chance than I had before anyhow. If I tried to race anybody beforehand and tried to go from a dead stop, you know, all I could do is go down in the second gear. So as soon as we take off, it was shift right into second gear. Obviously bog down and be slow as hell. But now that I can go down in first gear and take off, maybe we can do something. I need a mount to put my phone up on, you know, where you can stick it to the window, you know, like a GoPro. I was in Walmart yesterday. I was trying to find one of them mounts. That way I ain't trying to hold the phone or prop it up like it is now. Whenever I'm trying to do burnouts and shit like that, it's hard to hold the phone, steer, shift, and all that at the same time while I'm going sideways or something. But Walmart didn't have no damn mounts or nothing in there, so I guess I'm going to have to order one offline. And I want to get me a GoPro here soon too. That way we can have more angles and a little better quality. I'm going to need a laptop or a tablet or something like that also to be able to edit with. So if anybody knows a good cheap laptop or tablet I can get, you know, new for a decent price that's good to edit YouTube videos with, y'all let me know. Because here soon I'm going to be looking for one. Once I get a GoPro, I'm going to need a laptop and stuff to be able to edit the videos. I don't know if I can transfer stuff from the GoPro to my phone and edit them or not. I don't know if I can do that. Or if anybody has any GoPros or laptop or tablet, whatever, if you want to get rid of it, let me know. I might want to try to buy it from you. The fuel pump is howling, boy. You howling like a howling at the moon. Feels a lot faster whenever you take off in first gear. I better get my ass back to the house and quit playing around. I'm gonna be run out of damn gas. I ain't even got my damn wallet on me. Here I am running around doing burnouts and everything else, and I ain't even got my wallet on me. So we can't get no gas, and if I get pulled over, we're gonna be in all kind of damn trouble. So might need to head back to the house. Back at the house here. Didn't run out of gas or nothing like that, so that's good. She's running pretty good. Shifter and all is working pretty good. I'm glad I did that. I wish I would have did it years ago, because I mean, hell, I've been running around like this for at least 3 or 4 years. I know I've had this transmission in here behind this motor, and then I had it behind a flat top 350 with some Vortec heads, and I think I had it behind just a basic Vortec 350. So I've had it behind 2 or 3 motors at least. And the whole damn time I had it the way it was, you know, I couldn't pull it all the way down in low gear. Just laziness, really. It didn't take but 5 damn minutes to adjust the thing out, but it took me 4 years to do it. But anyway, I reckon I'm gonna end this one off here. I appreciate everybody that watches, likes, comments, subscribes, and all that good stuff. Y'all just let me know what y'all think about it, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Later.
All right, we're going through the water here.